Now, the scenario questions where I stop asking definitions and drop you into live fire. Question 9. A critical deployment update was just pushed within 2 minutes. The error rate in production spikes to 40%. Walk me through your response. And I'm watching your instinct here because your first move tells me everything. Here is the sequence. What I want to hear as a hiring manager. Step 1, rollback immediately. Contain first. Do not start investigating while users are getting error. The new version is bad. Get it out. Step 2, watch and verify. Confirm the rollout completes and error rate actually drops. Don't assume rollback worked. Was it work? Step 3, communicate. Open the incident channel, notify on call, assign an incident command. Step 4, now investigate. After service is restored, describe the failed pods to see crashed containers logs. Check metrics and traces and reproduce in staging with the bad image. Step 5, postmortem within 48 hours. Blameless, timeline, root cause, MTTR, and action items to stop it recurring. The order is whole answer. Contain, then communicate, then investigate. The classic failure, and it's the wrong answer that sinks the people, is the first I would investigate to find the root cause and then roll back. No, that prioritize your curiosity over your users and it inflates downtime and MTTR every second you spend reading logs while the site overtrap, making random changes, restart, scaling, config fix without understanding anything which can make it work, handling it silently in isolation, which delays everything and breeds confusion, and skipping the RCA, which guarantees it happens again. What I'm scoring is MTTR mindset. Restore service as top priority, the right order under pressure, fluency with the actual Kubernetes command, real incident discipline, and blameless learning culture. Rollback first, contain, communicate, investigate, learn. So you have to provide the actual MTTR in your current environment, current systems where you are working with. That gives the more trust, more confidence to the interviewer. Production incident response in action, like Zeta Global restored service in 17 minutes. New deployment caused error rate to spike 40% in just 2 minutes, impacting millions of marketing campaigns and customer data flows. High business impacts during peak hours, SLO at risk across the multiple regions. Okay. So our response timeline, so where detect, rollback immediately, verify recovery, communicate, and investigate, service restored, post. Results 17 minutes, that's a MTTR, 99.98% is availability maintained after the quick recovery, millions of campaign and data flows protected, zero data loss or customer impact. Rollback first, investigate later. Our priority is always our customer. Key takeaways, obviously, rollback, verify, communicate, investigate, and post. Follow up questions and their short answers.